Here we have people of color that's trying to learn how to square dance. And of course, the instructor is a 1,000-year-old man of color that plays country music, and he knows every word to every country song he played so far. He's explaining how to line dance, so you guys got to use your imagination. No, no, no. Y'all be nice. Y'all got this. Oh. Y'all all want to see some bulls? There it is right there. Who wants to jump on the bull? Now he's giving directions.
Now stop right there, face the partner. Don't turn around and face the corner, same thing. Hey! Hey! Everybody join hands, circle to the left. When you try to hook elbows, guys, it's not going to work, guys. Make sure your partner's on your right hand side.
Okay, they go Cowboy Billy Bob going back to the music right there.
Because the thing about square dancing is basically listening. You know, that's the hard part. Okay? But you don't want the hard part. Okay.
Here we go, y'all.
Everybody bow to the partner. Then bow to the corner of two. Join hands, circle to the left, go around, you do, circle to the left. Now circle to the right, the other way back, circle to the right, right, right. Everybody walk into the middle, go in 2, 3, then back 2, 3. Now face your partner, do-si-do, back to back. Turn around and face the corner, same thing, do a do-si-do with your corner. Then back right out and make that ring, circle to the right, you can take all night. To the right, to the right.
Take all night.
Now everybody drop hands, but keep going, don't stop. Okay, single file now.
Single file. Yeah, music.
Okay, stop, hold it, don't stop, don't.
Okay. See, here we go.
When I ask you guys to step up on the inside beside your partner, this is your partner. This is your partner. This is on the inside. Now put your right hand out. Put your right hand out. Put your left hand out. Under the body. Now this is our combination.
So if you ever want to learn how to line dance, call this guy. Oh, y'all be nice. Y'all be nice.
Okay, now this is our promenade position, okay? Everybody promenade, just keep walking. Walk, walk.
DJ Geritol.
Everybody back out, make a big ring, circle to the left one time. We're making that ring again, circle left. There you go. Now circle to the right, the other way back, circle to the right. Now walk into the middle and you come right back.
Well, you gotta stop doing that.
Face your partner, do-si-do your partner. Turn around and face the corner, same thing, do a do-si-do. Get that right out and make that ring, circle to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Don't take all night.
Don't take all night. Do it right.
Everybody drop hands, but keep going. Don't stop. Guys, step up on the inside, take the partner in the promenade position. This is our promenade position. Everybody, wheel her around and go the other way. Guys on the outside, ladies on the inside. We're going the other way.
And they actually had the nerve to ask me, do I want to join in the festivities? Ninja, please.
I know that should have brought the group. We're promenading again.
You can't make this up.
To the right, to the right.
To the left, to the left.
I would say counterclockwise, but you don't know counterclockwise. You guys done good.
No, they didn't. Let's keep it real. All right, and I would try to get this guy information for those of you who would wish to line dance, urban style. That's an original urban cowboy right there. Anyway, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment. But most of all, the subscribe button is most important, because when you do, it lets YouTube know I'm doing good. I need to move up. When you hit that like, it tells YouTube the same thing. But most importantly, when you hit the all bell on the subscription part, that's what YouTube really looks at. So do your boy a favor and hit that like button. Drop in the comments. Yeah, be good. And subscribe. Peace out.